Hey guys, welcome back to another fashion try on haul with me, Jenny from Isa. So today I'm going to be doing a try on haul for t-shirts. So this is a t-shirt try on haul, and I will let you know where I got these t-shirts from. This first one I got from Ross, and it was about $8. Pairing it with some shorts and my Valentino shoes. I love these shoes, by the way. They're super comfortable and they make your outfit just look more put together, like classy and expensive. And I'm pairing it up with a Tory Burch purse to complete the look. Underneath, I am wearing a bralette, super cute top, and it's really comfortable, and the fabric is really nice. Then we're gonna go into our other outfit. So this t-shirt is a Disney t-shirt. It has Mickey and Minnie and I think Donald. I'm pairing it with some biker shorts from Isa Apparel. The top is from Ross as well. I also got it for like $8. And I'm pairing it with some white and gold Nautica slip-ons. They're super cute, very comfortable, like very chill, relaxed top and shorts. Like this classic casual outfit. It's really cool to just be around the house or just go out and do some shopping or something. So for the next outfit, I have this happy white t-shirt that ties in the front, and the fabric is super nice, and it also has a seam in the back. I'm pairing it up with some high-waisted tour shorts, and I'm pairing it with some Jessica Simpson platforms. They're very comfortable. I also got those at Ross, and the top as well. The shorts are from Isa Apparel. Another cute outfit, like casual outfit that you can wear out. I am wearing a bralette underneath. The next outfit is another top. Actually, this top I actually got it at Target for $12.99. Valentino slip-on shoes, super comfortable. It really completes the look. I just love pairing, Valentino shoes with jeans and a nice, top for a casual look. I think it looks classic and stylish at the same time. I'm again pairing it with my Tory Burch bag. So completes the look. It's casual, but it's also cute at the same time, and on a budget. So for the next try-on t-shirt outfit is going to be another top that I got at Target, and the material is really good. I really like their t-shirts because of the quality. It's nice and they're affordable. Again, it was $12.99 for this top, and it's an AC/DC top. I'm actually gonna tuck it in with my jeans and keep the same Valentino slip-ons. Actually, no, I'm gonna take them off, and I'm going to add the clear heels. If you want to dress up your t-shirts and your jeans, add some clear shoes or some clear heels to complete the look. Again, a clear heel just makes your outfit, and it goes with everything. So like with this outfit, it goes great together because they're clear. So if you want to dress it up a little bit, you can add the heels to this outfit. So love this t-shirt and jean outfit. It's super casual and it's cute. You can't go wrong with jeans and a t-shirt. Then we're gonna go change my shoes into the white Nautica slip-ons for a casual look. Since it has white, pairing it with the white shoes, it also looks cool. I love these slip-on shoes. They go with everything. I think they just complete the look. You can also wear flip-flops, but jeans and t-shirt looks cool with these slip-on shoes. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this t-shirt try on haul and how to style your t-shirts, and let me know which outfit is your favorite down in the comments down below. Let me know what other try on hauls you guys want me to do for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.